Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome to Afifa Academy once again. Today I have decided to teach you in English. So please listen it carefully. I shall teach this lecture in easy way. You will learn, you will understand it easily, inshallah. I have selected this lecture specially for CSS and PPSC students which are preparing for competitive exams. I have selected 10 days, annual days of the world which are celebrated in different dates. So, some of these I have selected dates. We shall guess their name, and some of these I have selected names and we shall guess their dates. So, without wasting our time, I want to start my lecture. On first number, February 5th is observed as February 5th, 5 is observed. This day is celebrated in Kashmir. This day is celebrated in Kashmir. Not only in Kashmir, but also in other Muslim countries. And the name of this day is Kashmir Solidarity Day. You should also note it at some diary, different diaries, different registers, so that you can make your lectures, your notes. We shall move to next number. Kashmir Black Day is observed on. So, second number, I have selected the name and we shall guess its date. Kashmir Day, Black Day. Kashmir Black Day. Kashmir Black Day is observed. We shall guess its name, its date. It is celebrated on Kashmir Black Day is celebrated on October 27. October 27. The third one is International Women Day. International Women Day is celebrated on 8th March. International Women Day is celebrated on 8th March. The next one is Labor Day. Labor Day is observed all over the world on 1st May. 1st May. The next one, International Literacy Day. International Literacy Day. Guess what is the date of International Literacy Day? Its date is 8th March and its date is 8th September. 8th September. So International Literacy Day is celebrated on 8th September and International Women Day is celebrated on 8th March. Date is same but month are different. March and September. World No Tobacco Day. World No Tobacco Day, which is celebrated against smoking. What is the date of World No Tobacco Day? Observe. Guess it. World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st May. 31st May. And the 7th number, Earth Day is celebrated. Earth Day is celebrated on, guess, what is the date of Earth Day? What is the date of Earth Day? Guess. Here is date is 22nd April. 22nd April. And the 7th April is the day of, at number 8. Date is 7 April. What is the day on celebrated on 7th April? The day name is World Health Day. World Health Day. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. World Environmental Day is observed. World Environmental Day is observed on. World Environmental Day is observed on 5th June. 5th June. Pakistan Day is celebrated on. Pakistan Day is celebrated in Pakistan, and its date is 14th August. So it is my small effort. I have made this mini lecture for you. I hope you will understand it. You have learned it easily. Inshallah, next coming lectures, I shall try my best to provide you, to teach you authentic knowledge about general knowledge and many other subjects, inshallah. So, till next lectures, I shall say you Allah Hafiz.